Hey folks, good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Friday, end of the week. It is May 11, almost the middle of the month already. Hold on.
My arm is jiggling. I need to go to the gym. What is that, Simone? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna need to wiggle and whine and fix
to do
it.
What?
Nothing. Hi everybody. Morning.
Yeah.
What's happening?
It is Friday, so we have a
Poppin'.
fun show. We have a great show as we always do. So welcome to everyone on OneSpotMedia.com, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Snapchat at SmilesMTVG, and also on TelevisionJamaica.com. So we have many things to tell you about this morning.
So you welcome the people, but you never welcome me, and I never welcome you. So welcome.
You're welcome. No, I always say
good
how
to
you
have
do.
you.
I always say how things and if you had a good weekend and stuff like that. So I
But I'm
always
just
do
saying welcome.
it. Like your top.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
It's nice colors. Oh, what you supposed to wear red? No?
I didn't get that memo.
Don't you? Not-
Yesterday, heart something?
Yeah, yesterday Dana told me that today is. Don't it? Yeah, don't you
Oh, I
say?
didn't. Could have told me there's.
Eh?
I have on red lipstick and
I
there's
have
red in parts
I have enough red
of my
for the
shirt.
two of us. I have enough red for both of us.
Could be wearing red somewhere else.
You're sounding a little. Why?
Froggy.
Why?
I catch some people some germs if I had somebody in here and I catch it and then couldn't spokely. But I'm getting back there. I had Nova. I could this is good in comparison to what was happening.
Does your
So-
daughter speak the way you do?
I plead the fifth.
She does.
The groans that I may be in.
No, you have to fix that.
My-
Because she's going to be talking to the teacher and going to say, huh?
No, I speak to her teacher like this.
So the teacher understands it.
Everybody gets it.
Where do you call that language when they say something like pillow, whatever?
A gypsy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Billy, Alapai, Willie Pill, Telepad, Lily Poo, Solopum, Philippine. Got it?
No.
Lily Poo, Alapai, Lily Poo, Philippine. Got that?
Okay, I hear first, and then second.
You didn't understand that part? Oh, great.
What you say?
That you are a fantastic person.
Oh, I kind of know that still. Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, you are so gullible. That's not what I
I'm
said.
not surprised.
I said you're stupid.
That's why you sound so. All right.
Oh,
let
no,
me
that I
tell
know
you.
that you can't speak gypsy. I will communicate.
Let me
in
tell
that
you what's
more
on the
often.
show this morning. A story time. Smile Jammers take us back to a time they got their moms upset.
Can we spend a show doing that so Nev can tell you all the things?
I was
he
telling
put
them
Marvel
some
through?
yesterday.
We need an extended program
I was
for
telling
that.
them some yesterday.
Trust me.
Oh, I did come 27 out of 32 one time.
Well, that's good. You could have come 33rd.
Yeah, when she done in my glasses twist up.
Yeah, you used to get enough lick.
Plenty enough.
Yeah, I used to get enough too.
Plenty enough.
But I never used to do what you used to do. It's Mother's Day weekend. I have not yet got my mother a gift.
You haven't. It's Sunday, you know.
I know,
You have today,
but
you have tomorrow.
I don't want
You
to
have
be
even
on
Sunday.
What should I get her? Give me a clue.
There's some flowers, man.
No.
Your mom have everything. So
That's
get
the
some.
problem.
Yeah, so just get some nice flowers for her. It's the thought that counts. You never get
Flowers
her.
are done. She will
I
want
get her a
something.
little nice little bracelet or something. Like
She
that.
doesn't wear jewelry. Come again.
Well, wear one of these.
She doesn't.
That's not jewelry. It's not jewelry.
It is. It's just beaded jewelry.
Okay. All right, so get her a top. Get her a nice
Can't
top.
get her top and not get her no bottom. She got unbalanced.
Suppose she want to be unbalanced.
She do not.
All right, so get her a bottom.
And then no top, and then she still
All right, get her a dress.
possibly.
A blue one.
Why blue? She never went to George's.
And it's not one of my favorite color. My
So
favorite
why
color.
blue?
I don't know. Blue does sound nice.
I
All
just
right.
wish I hadn't waited until the last minute, as always.
What else?
Get caught up in the rush.
Me never get my mother on either.
Why they get so much lick? All right, folks, the things that mothers have to put up with. We're going to pause to salute another Smile Jamaica inspirational mom this morning.
And as much as it's supposed to be a happy day, unfortunately it's not so for everyone. We share tips on how to survive a bittersweet Mother's Day.
Yep. Plus, for our something to smile about, a sack race with a twist. You don't want to miss.
You can't miss that one. You can't
I
miss
think so too.
Yeah, you can't
it's
miss
not everything you need to see.
Yeah, you can't miss it.
So just, you don't have to watch that one.
Mr. Maya, which means I just beautiful this is so good.
Okay. All right. Before all that though, let's check our hot topics. So, remember that incident inside NCB in Halfway Tree where the gentleman pulled his firearm? Well, apparently that privilege has been taken from the gentleman who pulled the handgun. The FLA has said that his license has been revoked because he was deemed unfit to be entrusted with a firearm. You can help me anytime you feel like.
Cleveland Crooks, the FLA's Director of Compliance and Enforcement, said it's a fair decision. There are firearm safety rules that the gentleman violated. He said you should never point your weapon at anything unless you intend to destroy it. He says the bank was crowded on a Thursday afternoon. Now, the gentleman himself said he was not upset that the license was revoked, but he said he was unhappy that he had been assaulted by a guard. He insisted that he was pushed and felt threatened when a guard reached for his waist. Yeah, there you go.
Did we see that part of the video or no?
I did.
Okay.
I did.
Did you see the video at all?
Just what we're watching now. Just this little part.
Okay. All right. So
but everybody kind of scatter when them see him.
It was scary?
Yeah.
It's frightening.
We're going to have people scatter.
Frightening.
Like the people themselves, they don't know where the man up to.
All right. So, are we moving on?
Yeah, please.
Yep. Fire brigade, fire folks, contracted workers on sick out. But fire brigade, apparently there's a story broke yesterday that said there were industrial action. They're saying not so. Nothing like that has been happening because we are able to respond to everything that we're accustomed to at the moment. That was the head of communication at the fire brigade, Emilio Ebanks, who when contacted said he was not aware of a sick out by the employees and there was nothing out of the ordinary as it related to their attendance at fire stations. Apparently the NWU, National Workers Union, reported that the workers had started calling in sick from about 3 o'clock yesterday. Drivers in Portland, St. Thomas, Kingston and St. Andrews, St. Mary, St. Catherine, Clarendon, Trelawney, Manchester, St. Anne and St. Elizabeth were involved. But the fire brigade is saying that they're denying that there was a sick out by contracted truck drivers and mechanics, even though the unions were saying something different.
Yeah, the union reported that they started calling in sick about 3 p.m. yesterday, which would have been, I think, the day before, I think.
No, man, it was yesterday.
It was yesterday? 3 p.m. yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they allowed to strike? Essential
services are supposed to.
But I guess a sick out and a strike is two different
Correct.
things. Like
it's all in the semantics.
Yeah.
They're unionized, so they're protected.
Yeah.
All right.
Mahathir Mohamad, 92 years old, and he's now the world's oldest leader.
Wow.
Veteran Malaysian politician. They say it's a shock victory in the country's election. Apparently he ruled from 1981 to 2003.
That's a long run.
Yeah, now
and he's back at it again.
No, he's back.
92 though.
Yep.
Wow. Okay.
There you go. What's the last one?
Oh, there's a historic Trump-Kim summit. It's going to happen in June 12. Sell all your earthly possessions,
in Singapore.
folks. Just sell everything and just build a bunker. I'm just joking.
Everybody will turn up their boxing gloves. Say, we'll go Tom first.
Well, they brought home three folks from North Korea. Mm-hmm. Was it last night or the night before? Yesterday morning. But Mr. Trump, President Trump, has revealed that his first for this historic summit, the first ever between a sitting U.S. president and a North Korean leader, is going to take place in Singapore on the 12th of June. Where is this going to happen? Talks prospected to set does it have a location here? Location and date were announced.
Singapore.
Oh, I just read that, didn't I?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Trump is very excited. He said he thinks it's going to be a big success. This while he was at a rally, a political rally in Indiana last night. So the world waits with bated breath to see what is going to come out of that meeting. If you thought he deserved the Nobel Peace Prize before, then trust me.
And I mean, as crazy as they both seem, you kind of pray that things will work out. Because this nuclear thing is not a joke.
No.
Iran let off some stuff on Israel, and Israel responded to that. And Iran is saying if you pull out of the agreement, things going to happen. So you certainly pray that everything will be calm, and at the end of the day, they'll come to some
the release
consensus.
of the Americans, not before last, or yesterday, early morning yesterday, people are saying that signals are good.
Yeah. But they kind of don't trust Kim Jong-un.
Of course they don't.
They don't trust him. They kind of say, I mean...
What happened? Yeah.
Yeah. You know?
It's cautious optimism, they call it.
As
So.
I said, I pray that it works for everyone. All right, let me tell you about some birthdays. Belated birthday to my very good friend, someone who I've known from I've been very, very, very young, Carlton Dennis. They call him Spanner.
Oh, Spanner birthday today?
Spanner birthday was yesterday.
Okay.
And it says to big him up from Auntie Karen, the coaches of COSAF, and all the boys, and they wish you good health. And of course, my brethren, said me and you, I've known him for so long. Grew up in Vineyard Town together. This is young, pretty Danny. I think it's Danny Simpson, I think. And her mom works here. Happy birthday, Danny. That was yesterday also. Their greetings are coming
That's a lovely name.
Yeah, from your mom, Narda, and your dad, Daniel. And they love you like crazy.
She's cute.
She's beautiful. Hope you had a great day. And happy birthday to Trisha Blair. It's coming from your mom, Marie, and your sister, Shelley, and the 104 church family. And I think the great everyone involved in that church family also. So, Miss Trish, have a great day
I wonder
today.
if Harold behaves himself at church.
He does. A decent boy.
Excuse me, Mr. Harold? Yes, you do?
Yeah, man. Decent boy.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
His mama is just the most decent.
What did you read for your daily bread this morning?
The daily bread. What the daily bread is now? The daily bread said, when you do bad things, you just kind of ask God for forgiveness, and him kind of clean the slate
Harold,
for you.
is that true?
And him clean the slate for you, and you.
That doesn't mean you should do bad things
but
every
you just
day
suggested
and
that
take
once
him
you
for
repent
granted,
and-
because
yeah.
if you keep doing bad things and asking for forgiveness, he's going to know that you're not serious.
I know
So
that.
really and truly what it's asking you to do is to stop doing bad things.
Yeah. I get it right, don't boss? Boss, I'm the thing.
So you have to
And then-
read and also act on what you read, okay?
Yeah, I try, I'm not perfect, but I try. Trust me, I try. I pray a lot and I read a lot, but I'm not perfect. And I did come 27 out of 32 one time, so.
But you tried
But I did try.
No, you didn't
I had
try.
a 71 average.
and you came 32nd?
27, yeah, that's how the quality of the school back then. I had a 71.5 average.
Oh, so you ain't a fail.
Yeah?
You just need to do your utmost best.
Yeah. All right, folks, happy
Your mom was
birthday.
a teacher, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not on for you to get
Yeah,
71%.
She nearly
No,
knocked
she
me.
was.
She nearly killed
Yeah,
me. I come third. And she said if it didn't work because they had beat those two boys.
you can't win.
We can't
Oh, no
win.
man.
Happy
Happy
birthday, folks.
birthday, everybody.
all begin with no